What if I told you that in just a few seconds you could edit product photos, swap out backgrounds, or even dress up your model without ever touching Photoshop? Sounds a little crazy, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how powerful Nano Banana is inside Google Gemini. And trust me, that last example is going to blow your mind. If you're into AI tools that save you hours of work and can even help you make extra income online, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the latest videos. And don't skip around, because even if you miss just one small step, you could lose out on the most valuable tip. I'm Next Gen David AI, and today I'm going to share my screen and walk you step by step through how to access Nano Banana. Pick the right settings and apply it in 3 real-world examples. All right, let's get started. First, go to gemini.google.com and sign in. This is the main interface you'll see. Now look up at the top corner. You'll see the Model Selector button. Click that and choose Flash 2.5. That's the image model you need to unlock Nano Banana. You can use it for free, but there are limits on uploads and generations. If you're planning to use it often for clients or product work, you might want to consider going pro. But for today's tutorial, I'll keep it simple and just show you everything on the free version so it's easy to follow. All right, let's jump into the first example. Reference image control. On the Gemini screen, click on Upload File to add an image. For the background, I'm uploading a spring landscape with flowers and greenery. Next, I'm uploading a cosmetic product photo. This will be our main subject. Now, we're at the prompt section. I typed in a prompt that I just came up with, then hit the Generate button. If you want to check out that full prompt in detail, just rewind the video. Gemini processes really fast, usually around 20 seconds. Once the image shows up, just click on it to view the details. The result looks pretty good. There are flower petals and leaves scattered around the product, and it feels very natural. But I wanted the image to look a little brighter and more natural. The cool thing is, you don't need to re-upload anything. Just type in the next message in the chat. Keep the original image and add natural lighting, as if the product photo was taken outdoors. And here's the updated result. Much better, more natural. And this is exactly how you can make quick adjustments without having to start all over again. Once you're happy with it, just click Download and save it. Pro tip: always name your files clearly so it's easier to organize later. Example 2. Putting a product in someone's hand. This is one of the classic pain points with AI. Hands holding products usually look weird or fake. Let's test it out now. I just uploaded a photo of a water bottle and wrote the prompt like you saw in the video, so keep that in mind. The image quality really depends on how detailed your prompt is. The more specific you write, the better Nano Banana will generate your results. You can use my prompt as a reference and tweak it however you like. All right, let's check out the result. I was honestly pretty surprised by the result. If you look closely at the fingers wrapped around the bottle, the lighting on the bottle actually blends perfectly with the background light. Quick tip: from my experience, it's always better to use a product with a clear label and bold fonts. That way, when the AI generates the image, it recognizes the details more accurately and gives you a sharper, higher quality result. Now, let's move on to the most exciting part. Example 3. Changing clothes. Next up is the feature that honestly shocked me. Putting clothes on a person or an AI avatar with just a single photo. I uploaded a photo of a guy wearing some random outfit, plus the sports shirt I wanted, and then typed this prompt. Put a sports outfit on the character, keep the fabric folds natural, make sure the shadows look realistic, and keep the skin tone accurate. Hit run, and boom, it placed the shirt naturally and perfectly fitted. Now let's try adding a jacket. I uploaded a jacket photo and typed, add this jacket over the t-shirt, leave the zipper open, and keep the lighting consistent. The AI instantly understood where to put the jacket without me needing to write a super long description. Finally, let's put on a baseball cap. Here's the prompt. Add a baseball cap on the character, keep the standing pose, and make sure the shadows look natural. You can either upload a cap image you like, or just let the AI generate one automatically. And just like that, we've got a full outfit from only a few lines of prompt. Editing tip. If the shirt looks a little off or the shadows don't match perfectly, you don't have to start over. Just type a small tweak in the chat, like tighten the sleeves, make the fabric softer, or adjust the shadows on the bottle slightly. Making step-by-step refinements like this will always give you better, more precise results. So who should actually use Nano Banana? Photographers who need a quick demo. Online sellers who want beautiful product photos. Fashion sellers who don't want to spend a ton of money on photo shoots. Because now, everything can be done with just one sample image and Google Nano Banana. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit like so more people can see it, and subscribe to Next Gen David AI for weekly AI tips to save time and even make extra income. What feature do you want me to test next? Drop a comment below. I'll try it out directly in the next video. See you soon.